Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So, you know how in English one word can have multiple meanings. Just like that in Chinese, there are some words which have different meanings. So, in today's video, we are going to take the word khan and we are going to learn how to write it and what are the multiple meanings of it. So, let's start. Okay, so let's write the meanings of this word khan. Khan. First is to see. To see. Second is to watch. To watch. Third is to visit. To visit. Fourth is to look at. To look at. Fifth is to read. To read. Sixth is to look after. To look after. Seventh is to give it a try. To give it a try. And last but not the least, eighth is to consider. To consider. To consider. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.